job. What do you think, Livy? Such a good big sister, Alyssa. Tell her what that one is.
Bobby.
The Bobby what?
Bobby Hippo.
Hippo. You want to hold the alligator?
Yes.
Hold the alligator?
Baby Elsa. Does it have a chain? Did you
Alyssa wants the alligator back. Show her the baby elephant. That's nice. What are you going to say? What about that alligator? Oh, what's that one? The lion? Good. The lion and the zebra. That's so nice, Lissa. That's so nice to show your little sister all the animals, huh? What other animals do you have? What do you got now?
Monkey, elephant,
The monkey and the mama elephant? Lissa, what's your favorite animal? Grandma Lou. Which animal is that? What do you have there? Yeah, the giraffe. He fell down? Which one's your favorite? The zebra? Oh, yep. That's the giraffe's Chi-Chi and butt, huh?
Poopy.
Is that where he goes poopy? Where's his long neck? Yeah. Where's his ear? Where are his eyes? Huh? Does it look like he has night-nights on? Let's see the zebra. And put up the giraffe up there for Livy. Sure. Livy! Livy, are you playing with animals? Are you playing with animals? Oh, and a rattle. Oh, baby girl. Hi, lovey girl. Hi, big girl. Hi. Okay, go get your animal bag and let's start putting the animals away, okay? Yeah, get the animal bag and we'll name them off when you put them away, okay?